Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset on Android in 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to navigate into your settings. Then you want to scroll almost all the way down and head into System. In the System, you can scroll all the way down, and as you can see, at the bottom we will have Reset options. We can click on those, and as you can see, once again at the bottom we have Erase All Data Factory Reset. We can click on this, and now our phone will go through configuration process, and it will warn us that erasing all of data will, you won't believe it, erase all the data. So yeah, of course we can read that, and if we want to perform factory reset, all we want to do is hit that button, probably input our password, and we'll be done. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.